This is how you make summer roll, Korean style. Oof. I feel like all Korean people make these summer rolls at home, you know? I know this is a Vietnamese dish. I never said this is authentic, but Korean people eat this like every week. All right, so I gotta go pick up the kids in 10 minutes, so let's get right into it. All right, so first thing first, all right, we're gonna peel our carrots. Just like that. And since we're in a rush, I'm gonna get help from the mandolin. Just like that. Ooh, yeah, this saves so much time. Just like that. All right, so here's our mung bean sprouts. I'm gonna throw that right in. I'll blanch that real quick. So we're gonna chop up our green pepper. Just like that. Boom. I'm gonna roll these joints over. Smooth. Ba-da-da. And now we're gonna chop up our green pepper. Just like that. Boom. I'm just keep boiling water over water so we don't stop. All right, so paper towel. 지금은 그냥 it just looks like whatever, but just give me a few seconds. It's gonna look so pretty. And then carrots going in. All right, so red pepper. Red pepper. Boom. So here goes the mung bean sprouts. We're already halfway there. All right, carrots ready already. Just like that. Don't rinse it in cold water. All right, more water. Here we have some cucumbers. Boom. Pop. I'm gonna get help from the mandolin again. All right, back in here. And then here goes our onion. Janet doesn't like onion in hers. And if she does, she likes red onion raw, but this is how my mom makes it for me. And it's good, you know, get the kids to eat more vegetables. So boom. Lastly, some mushrooms. I don't gotta really even wash this right now because I'm gonna blanch it. Ooh, always cut the onions last because it gets spicy. Ooh, I might have to close my eyes into this. Oh, my eyes. Huh?
Be careful.
I know exactly where my vegetable is. All right, boom. All right, onions done. There we have everything. Oh, my push paw. All right, so carrots going on top. So this is what I mean. I would have just took everything out and cook everything on one pot. But I just wanted to show people that, you know, I'm rinsing everything out in cold water. You don't want to hot vegetables. Our mushrooms in. Just like that. Maybe it would have been more beautiful if we did it like this. So at least people could see what's happening. Yo, 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 dinner's ready. Dinner's ready, babe. Perilla leaf. Throw this in a bowl. Ooh, my mushrooms.
The other box. You brought the big box?
All right, now prep is done. Look at this. Look at this work of beauty right here. You see that? Whew. Now we're gonna make our sauce. Here's some jalapeno pepper. I mean, you can have the seed in if you want. Just gonna add a little bit of fish sauce in there. This is the jalapeno fish sauce. Ooh. And then for the other one, just a little bit of wasabi and just a little bit of soy sauce. Then we're gonna give that a nice little mix. Some sriracha. So this is some pickled radish. I'll teach you guys how to make this, you know, next time. But for now, I just bought the store-bought one. I'll slice it into a bite size that we could eat when we eat. And boom. Just like that. We're ready to go. So look at all the vegetables here. From the peppers to the mung bean sprouts, cucumber, carrot, onion, mushroom, perilla leaf, and all that good stuff. Okay, let's see. 아빠 help you, okay? 이렇게 하는 거야? 이렇게 하고 이렇게? Wow, you made it so pretty, buddy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh.
아빠 이렇게 하는 거야. 아빠 이렇게.
Only make this if you want your kids to go crazy over the vegetables. Hey! Oh, 진짜로? You want more? Carter, this is a small rat. Okay, good job. Carter, tell me what you want here. 아빠가 예쁘게 말해줄게. 너무 big 하면 안 돼. Okay. Nice. What else do you want here? Oh, you want that one. Okay. 이거 진짜 맛있지. You sophisticated boy.
맛있겠다.
맛있겠다.
이렇게도 해야 돼. 원래.
이렇게 한 다음에
아보카도 다 먹. Oh my goodness, Wesley.
Carter 이제 이렇게 롤 해주세요. Can you roll it? Okay, good job. 두 손으로.
어렸어.
우와, 엄마 이거 봐봐. 삼촌 보여줘봐 어떻게 먹는지.
Carter, Wesley, relax. I'll give it to you.
너무
Carrot.
There's more gogi, babe. What about the gogis?
또 a lot more 고기 than this.
Yeah? I just didn't want it to get too koshiki. Yeah. There's one more. Take it. I know, we have to.
Getting
Wesley, are you eating all the avocados?
I want avocado. It's the Choi family style.
마이가.
Wesley, babe, it's not a big deal. 고기 하나 줄까?
Yeah, you did.
Wesley, what's wrong, babe? What's wrong, babe?
Let's see what happened.
What's wrong, babe?
That was the hardest rap I ever made.
젓가락 꿀에 볶고야.
Oh damn! Watch your fingers, babe.
Voila!
Oh what?
Yeah, that's right. You saw my knife skills?
You ever heard of an avocado hand?
Yes. Come on, babe. I work in medicine.
What? They be coming to your
Hospital? Yeah, after they slice their hands?
what?
Come on, babe. 고기?
뭐만 잡으면.
I've been waiting for you. I've been making that 고기. 그거 줘, 고기. 그래. 내가 다들 딱 먹을 때쯤 만들게. Okay. Did I put everything in? This looks a little shabby this time.
Ooh, that mushroom went fast.
내가 다 먹었지롱. I'm a mushroom killer. 머쉬룸 더 줄까?
It's okay. 안 자를 거잖아.
자르려고 그랬는데 진짜 안 잘라야지 그러면.
What did you mean by avocado earlier? Avocado ham?
So a lot of people try to cut avocado and then they go zang and then it's avocado hand. It's like they cut themselves do the avocado and then they go to the hospital a lot. That's why.
Is that really a thing though?
Yeah, it's a thing. Literally look at my avocado hands. It's pretty. You don't want to look it up.
나도 따라한다.
Thumbs up.